back to Cookeasy. Today we are making fake eggs with french fry. So for that we need some apples, white yogurt and cream cheese. Sounds yummy, na? And peach halves in syrup as well. Let's get started. This is a really good recipe for all the fussy eaters out there. Let's combine yogurt and cream cheese in a bowl and give it a nice mix so that a nice consistency is made. A really good recipe for all the kids who don't like to eat apples or even fruits. Let's cut the apples into strips now. The way we do it for french fries, let's take a beautiful plate and start placing the apple strips. Now we'll take the mixture and put it in the circular motion like the way I feel a sunny side up looks. Now we'll put the peach half to give it a nice effect, and we'll put some jam to make it look like a ketchup. So tasty and the best way to feed all the kids out there and even adults who run away from fruits. Thank you for watching Cookeasy. Keep showing your love to me.